Okay, this is exercise 5-6 in the textbook. And this one's kind of a fun one. This is the offset command inside of AutoCAD. We're in the offset1.dwg file. The offset tool is right here. It kind of looks like, I like to say a taco. You use offset a lot in civil, so like for contour lines or roads or things like that. Notice I've got 3 layers here with different colors, so I'm just going to kind of show you an option in offset. If you type O, notice O is the shortcut key for offset, and one of the options here is layer. So if you click layer, you can determine whether offset will place on the current layer or on a new layer. So I'm gonna say that it's gonna go to the current layer. Right now, if you look at it, it's currently on layer 0. I'm going to switch my layer to topic so that anything I offset will go onto the topic layer. So I'm going to go to offset. I'm going to double check my layers. And right now it's source. I'm going to say current. And then it asks me for the offset distance. And I'll say 0.25. So it'll be a 1/4 inch. And then it asks me for what I want to offset. I'll select this little spline here, and whichever side I pick, it'll preview. So notice it placed it on the current layer, not the source layer. So I'll select this and come in, select there, and notice it stays in the offset command. If I change my layer to be the source, it will keep the items on the same layer. It automatically defaults to the most recent value that you gave it. And notice now it's placing items on layer 0. So this is a very useful tool, and you'll be using it a lot to create elements in your assignments.